Hi everyone. Today let us continue with female reproductive system. So last class we have seen with vulva or external genital organ. Today let us enter into the internal genital organ. Okay. So internal genitalia. So the internal organs of the female reproductive system lie in the pelvic cavity. That is where the pelvic bone is there. So it consists of the vagina, uterus, two uterine tubes and two ovaries will be present. So this diagram it depicts the internal structure of the female reproductive system. Okay. So here you can see the fallopian tube, ovary, uterus, and you can have the and even you can see the vagina. Okay, so this is how your female reproductive system is present. So coming to vagina. So vagina is the fibromuscular tube lined with the stratified squamous epithelium and connects the external and internal organs of reproduction. Okay, so this is the only connection between the external and internal organ of reproduction. So it runs obliquely upwards and backwards at an angle of about 45 degrees between the bladder in front and rectum and anus behind. So it lies between the bladder and rectum. Okay, so in adult the anterior wall is about 7.5 centimeter long and the posterior wall is about 9 centimeter long. The difference is due to angle. Okay, so and the cervix is inserted into the vaginal region. So vagina it has three layers: an outer covering called as areolar tissue, the middle layer smooth muscle, and the inner layer of stratified squamous epithelium that forms ridges or rugae. That is, many folds will be there. Okay, so it has no secretory gland, but the surface of is kept moist by cervical secretions. Okay, so the vagina it is not having any secretory glands, so the secretions from the cervix will keep the vagina moist. So between the puberty and menopause, lactobacillus acidophilus, so it is a bacteria, so it will be present normally and secrete the lactic acid in the vaginal region. So this will maintain the pH between the 4.9 and 3.5. Okay, so because of this the vagina is acidic in nature. So the acidity inhibits the growth of most other microbes and which enter inside the vagina from the outside, that is perineum. So vagina acts as a receptacle. What is the function of the vagina means? So this will act as a receptor organ for the penis. It is from the male reproductive system during coitus or mating, and it provides an elastic pathway for the baby passes through in the childbirth. During labor it acts as a passage for the child. Okay, so this is the vagina. The next is the uterus. So uterus it is otherwise known as womb. So the uterus is a hollow muscular pear shaped organ or a bag. It is flattened anterior posteriorly. Okay, in the anterior region it is flattened in. So it lies in the pelvic cavity in between the urinary bladder and rectum. So when the body is in the upright position, that is when you are in a standing position, the uterus lies almost horizontal position. So it is about 7.5 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide, and the walls are about 2.5 centimeter thick. Okay, so it weighs from 30 to 40 grams. The part of the uterus and the what is the parts present in the uterus are fundus, body, and cervix. So fundus, this is a dome shaped part of the uterus above the openings of the uterine tubes. Body, it is the main part, it is the narrowest inferiorly, and at the interval os means opening, os means opening, where it continues with the cervix. So the cervix or neck of the uterus it protrudes through the anterior wall of the vagina opening into the exterior os or opening. Okay, so this is the structure of the uterus. So where you can see body, fundus, and cervical region. Okay, so the upper region it is the fundus region, and this is your body region. So this yellow one, and this is your cervical region where it is inserted into the vagina. Okay, so above the fallopian tube it is called as fundus, and the lower the fallopian tube it is called as body, and the lowermost it is called as cervix. Okay, and this is the diagram which is showing the internal os and external os. Okay, along with the connection with the vagina and the layers of the uterus. Okay, then next, the walls of the uterus is composed of three layers: perimetrium, myometrium, and endometrium. So perimetrium or serous or outer layer is the covering of the uterus derived from the peritoneum, that is from your abdomen region. So anteriorly it covers the uterus completely, but posteriorly it covers only up to the isthmus region. So myometrium or middle muscular layer, it is the thickest of the layer of the uterus and is made up of smooth muscle fibers. So endometrium or inner mucus layer, it is a smooth and soft with a pale red color one. So it is made up of ciliated columnar epithelial cells. So cilia, it will help to movement of sperms into the fallopian tube for fertilization. Also this cilia will receive the fertilized ovum for implantation. Okay, so the surface of the endometrium has minute orifices, that is openings through the tubular follicles of the endometrium open. So endometrium also contains connective tissue in which uterine gland is present. So uterine glands are lined by ciliated columnar epithelial cells. So changes in the uterus. So uterus will change in its size, structure and function on different phases of sexual life. So just before the menstruation, okay, so the uterus will be enlarged, it becomes more vascular, that is blood supply will be increased. So the endometrium thickness with more blood supply. So during that stage, so the endometrium will more thick in nature. This layer is desquamated during menstruation and reformed during menstrual period. So during menstrual period, so there will be removal or erosion of this layer, and after a new layer will be formed. So during pregnancy, the uterus is enlarged very much with increase in weight. Okay, so because of the baby inside your uterus, so the size will be enlarged and the weight will be increased. So after delivery or parturition, it comes back to its original size, but the cavity remains larger. So in old age, the uterus is atrophies, that is decrease in its size. Okay, so with this we can stop our topic today. Remaining we can see in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.